about generics. So generics are available from Golang 1.18. You cannot use previous versions of Golang. You have to use 1.18 and above. So here I have defined a generic function. So is equal, and t is the generic. So t can be any data type. So here it is a comparable one. So a comma b comma t, where a and b are the input, t is the data type, and returns a bool value. We are just doing whether a equal to b or not in the implementation detail. Comparable is the interface. This is kind of like Rust generic switch constraints if you know Rust-lang. uh, Next, another way to pass your custom generic data type is you can define a type, you can define an interface. So I know that I can only have data type of int32 or uint32. So same function name t, data type, which is kind of like a generic data type. Then it would takes an slices of t and returns t as well. Then do some kind of an implementation details. Now here I have defined a my int of int32. This is kind of type aliasing. So constraint package provides following constraint. Constraint package is already present inside Golang. To get that, you have to do go get golang.org, and it provides any comparable unsigned, signed, order, integer, float, complex, those kind of stuff. Now I have defined type my array t constraint dot order struct inner t. So this takes the constraint from the constraint packages. Okay. Next would be this. So I have defined the function where I am passing this my array as the data type, and here you can see. So I try to avoid generics as try to as much as possible, because it sometimes makes your code unreadable and very difficult to understand. Like you can't make sense of it on the first watch. You have to go through it multiple times. So yeah, is equals, which we have defined 1 comma 1. We can pass strings as well, we can pass rune as well. Rune is just a character. Or you can pass you int 8 as well. Then I have defined two slices. Then I can pass that some numbers in some numbers is two slices in some numbers function as well. Now I have defined nums new. It is a slice of mind. Mind is the data type alias which we have defined, but you can't write total equal to, wait, I'll show you. Yeah, you can't write total equal to sum. So because the above line gives you an error, because you have to add my int in integer 32 interface. It won't know about it because you have typed aliased it. So you can either use approximation, which is marked by the tilde operator, change integer interface like below. Okay, then you can use this. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.